Hello guys, today I'll show how can we make our own LMS site easily and totally free of cost. First we have to install a plugin which named Tutor LMS. Just install and activate this plugin. Then we need another plugin for payment method, which is WooCommerce. Just install and activate this plugin. Then we can add our course from Tutor LMS section. From here we can add our course. Also we'll see here a option, membership enable disable option. If we want to registration option in our site, then we have to enable this option. Okay, then we keep our course title just for testing purpose, test. Then we can make our course public by clicking this option. If we want to make our course public, then we can check this option. If we check this option, then no enrollment required for this course. Okay, then here another option, question answers section, disable and enable option. We can enable and disable the option from here. Also we can set our course categories and tags from here. From this section we can set our categories and tags. After setting that, we will see our categories here. Also we can directly add from this section. Okay, then we have to add a topic. Okay, then we can set our lesson from here. We give a lesson title 1, and we can set lesson feature image from here, and also we can set video source type from here. I have set my video title YouTube source and set the video URL here. Okay, then update the lesson. Then our lesson successfully added. Also we can set our course feature image from this section. Okay, then I can set our quiz from here. Give a quiz title. Then I can set our question. Okay, also we can set question type from this drop down section. I have set my type true false. Okay, then I have to add our answer. I have set my correct answer false. Then save and continue. Same as if you want to add multiple question, just click here and you can add. Then from settings section you can say see here many settings. You can set from here time for your quiz. Okay, then you can check feedback mode. Like if you want to set multiple attempts, you can set the retry mode, and you can, if you want to see the answer after the quiz finished, then you can set the default mode. Also you can set the reveal mode if you want to see the question answer after just that attempts. Also you can set the number of attempts from here. Then the passing grade, you can set the passing grade from this section, and number of question allowed this quiz you can set from here. Okay, then also you can see here advanced option section, you can set many settings from here. You can set the auto quiz start enable visible from here. Also you can set the question layout style from here. Okay, also the question order, random ascending or descending order, you can set from here. Also you can set the question number enable or disable option from here. Also if your answer is short or description type, then you can set the answer character limits from here. Okay, then save changes. Okay, and close this, then update, publish. Then view the course. Your course successfully created. Now this course is free. If you want to make this course paid, then you have to check a settings from settings section. You have to set the monetization e-commerce option, then set changes. Then you have to add a product for your course. Add a product name test. Okay, then you will see here option the product type for tutor. You have to check this option. Then you have to set the course price. I have set 10, then publish. Then you have to edit the course. You will see here an option free or paid. You have to set this paid, and you have to add that products which you have already created for this course. Then set this and update. Then visit that course. See our course successfully created. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I will give you more detailed description and documentation in the video description option, and also I will give you the plugin link. Okay, thank you.